Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. What we happen to have here is one of our 408 Chrysler stroker engines. Starts out with a 360 base engine, and we put a nice stroker kit in here, and we finish it off the way you want it. This one was finished off red with some nice black Edelbrock valve covers, a nice beautiful March Serpentine kit on here. This one happens to have a Holly carb. Again, if you'd like fuel injection, we can put fuel injection on top. But again, if you want something built by us, you give us a call. We'll set something up that the way you want your engine to look. Let the pros figure it out, and we'll build you a great looking motor and one that will perform and last for years. So again, it gets no easier and it gets no better. 530 horsepower on a 500 horsepower package. Check us out. Give us a call. Thank you.